Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love green, and so it only made sense to have green cabinets in my kitchen. This paint is by TGG. It's a furniture paint. It looks beautiful, and it definitely is very durable for cabinet paint. I love that not only do you get the paint, but you get all the supplies you need to paint it. If you're going to take the time to paint your cabinets, you want it to be durable and long lasting. That's what I love about this paint. So I went from white cabinets to a really, really deep green, and it took me about 8 to 10 coats, which you might think is a bad thing, but it is very good that it took that many layers because it goes on in extremely thin layers, as you can see, which allows it to dry completely and adhere to itself really well. So keep that in mind when you're ordering paint on how much you'll need. Because it does that, I was able to wash these cabinets, and as you can see, nothing came off. This was within hours of washing it. I was able to scratch it with my fingernail and nothing came off. This was within days of painting it. I can't tell you how many times I've painted trim and it peels off within days when it gets nicked up. I am in love with these green cabinets. It is a beautiful, really dark, earthy green. Beautiful. So go ahead and take the plunge, order this paint. You will love it. And me, I will be loving my new green cabinets. And that's my point of view.